Alright, we are leaving this little piece of paradise and we're going to Lipsi to get some supplies. Trina's first time steering. Everyone's a bit afraid, but we're confident she's gonna do great because Claude is here to coach her.
There's good wind.
There's good wind. We did not put the mainsail up because we are not going very far, only the Jennaker. So should be great. Look at that beautiful weather, and we are aiming between those two islands over there.
All I need are some tasty waves, a cool buzz, and I'm fine.
Your wheel is turning without you touching it.
It's a magical wheel. All you have to go is like this.
Arriving towards the harbor of Lipsos, guys. It's over there with all the white houses. We're gonna get power, electricity, water, and internet so I can upload. Yay! And Trina is uploading her dreams right now. Here's the situation: if you park, if you dock on the other side of that jetty, you're kind of more exposed to the wind. So it's nicer to actually have the wind pushing you away from the dock than on the dock, otherwise you risk of severely damaging your boat. No spot, we have to go on that side, and the problem is you're exposed to the elements and it's gonna be bumpy. Hopefully the wind is not gonna be stronger. Let's see, guys, how it's gonna go. Alright guys, so we docked and that's the ladder to go through, but as you can see it's kind of moving. It's very bumpy right now because the wind is coming from there, so everything's moving, everything's splashing. What do you think, Trina?
We'll see how it is tonight, if it's loud or not, but I guess we don't have a choice, so life goes on. I think we just got charged for someone helping us, but quite minimally, so hopefully they help us a little bit more later on in the days. Why do you cost so much money, Pierre?
€6 for the adapter to rent it.
What are you getting charged on now?
I don't know.
That man in the distance in the white shirt, he has a specialty of charging people. Everything you do, there's a small charge. Lipsi is known for someone who you may have heard of called Calypso from Homer's Odyssey, and she was the nymph who actually kept Ulysses here for 7 out of his 10 years. Pierre's drone.
There's another drone. There's like a drone fight.
Where is it? Where is it? We're gonna look for the other one now.
Early in the morning the wind got super strong. It's a north wind, it's called the Meltem, and it was basically pushing the boat sideways against the quay. So we literally had to leave the quay side because the other side that was more protected was busy.
Safety with Trina. Put your life vest on before going off into the winds. If you fall into your water, the life vest will inflate automatically. If not, just simply pull on this little cord right here and it will inflate. Attach your yellow belt to something secure on the boat like a table. The exits are here, 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 and here. And we're ready to go.
Nice. And if you didn't know, on top of Patmos over there, we've got a monastery. Make sure you tune in for tomorrow's episode because we're going to be exploring Patmos, and apparently it has a monastery that's on top of a cliff and it looks absolutely incredible. We're gonna be droning everywhere and go disturb the monks. No, I'm just kidding. So make sure you tune in tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Have an amazing day. Remember, make the most of your time on this planet. You never know when it ends. Bye bye.
Wouldn't it be funny if you didn't have your microphone on? God, are you guys still watching?
Yep.
I wouldn't be watching. No, I'm kidding. Joke!
This is the reality of vlogging.
That's true. We're on a cliff.
We're on a cliff. We just thought the viewpoint would be nice. We're hungry. We're out. Trina's out.